Warning: educational disclaimer. Before we finish, it's important to understand that this channel is created for educational and awareness purposes only. All cybersecurity concepts, demonstrations, and discussions presented on this channel are intended to help viewers understand security, protect their systems, and build ethical cybersecurity skills. We do not encourage, promote, or support unauthorized access, hacking, cybercrime, or any illegal activity. Always practice cybersecurity in legal environments, such as personal labs, training platforms, and authorized systems. Remember, great cybersecurity professionals use their knowledge to protect people, not harm them. Welcome to Zero Trace Academy. In this video, you'll learn computer networking for beginners, one of the most important skills in IT, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, cloud computing, and system administration. Whether you're preparing for CompTIA Network Plus, CCNA, or cybersecurity certifications, this complete networking guide will help you understand the fundamentals from the ground up. A computer network is a collection of computers, servers, smartphones, routers, and other devices connected together to exchange data and share resources. Networks allow users to access the internet, share files, communicate instantly, and use cloud services. Understanding networking basics is the first step toward becoming a cybersecurity professional. One of the first networking concepts you'll encounter is network topology. A topology describes how devices are connected. The most common types are star topology, bus topology, ring topology, and mesh topology. Each design offers different levels of speed, reliability, scalability, and fault tolerance depending on the organization's needs. Most homes and businesses use wireless networking, commonly known as Wi-Fi. A wireless router sends radio signals that allow laptops, smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and IoT devices to connect without physical cables. Modern Wi-Fi technology provides fast, secure, and convenient internet access almost anywhere. The internet is the largest computer network in the world. Billions of devices communicate through fiber optic cables, routers, switches, satellites, internet service providers, and massive cloud data centers. Every website, email, video stream, and online service depends on this incredible global networking infrastructure. Every network device has a unique MAC address, or Media Access Control Address. This hardware identifier helps switches recognize devices on a local network and ensures that information reaches the correct destination. Think of the MAC address as your device's permanent digital identity. Have you ever wondered how your browser finds websites? That's the job of the Domain Name System, or DNS. DNS converts easy-to-read domain names like example.com into numerical IP addresses that computers use to locate servers across the internet. Without DNS, browsing the web would be much more difficult. Most websites and online applications operate using the client-server model. Your computer or smartphone acts as the client, sending requests to powerful servers. Those servers process the request and return the information needed to load websites, stream videos, access cloud storage, or run online applications. As computer networks continue to expand, network security becomes increasingly important. Cybersecurity protects sensitive information against hackers, malware, ransomware, phishing attacks, and unauthorized access. Strong network security is essential for businesses, governments, and individuals alike. A firewall is one of the most important cybersecurity tools. It continuously monitors network traffic, allowing trusted communication while blocking suspicious or malicious connections. Firewalls play a vital role in protecting personal devices, corporate networks, and cloud environments from cyber threats. Today, many organizations rely on cloud computing instead of storing everything locally. Cloud platforms allow users to access files, applications, databases, and services securely over the Internet. Cloud networking has transformed businesses by making collaboration faster, more flexible, and highly scalable. To better understand network communication, engineers use the OSI model, which consists of 7 layers. Each layer performs a specific function, from transmitting electrical signals to delivering applications. Learning the OSI model is essential for troubleshooting networks and preparing for networking certification exams. The TCPIP model is the communication framework that powers the modern Internet. It defines how information is packaged, transmitted, routed, and received across different networks. Nearly every Internet-connected device depends on TCP/IP protocols to communicate reliably. The future of computer networking includes artificial intelligence, cloud computing, edge computing, the Internet of Things, 5G, 6G, software-defined networking, and zero-trust security. These technologies are shaping smarter cities, autonomous systems, and the next generation of secure digital communication. Before we finish, please remember, this channel is dedicated to cybersecurity education and awareness. All content is intended for ethical and legal learning purposes only. We do not encourage unauthorized access, cybercrime, or any illegal activity. Always practice in authorized environments and use your knowledge responsibly. Great cybersecurity professionals use their skills to protect people, systems, and organizations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity content. Until next time, stay curious, stay ethical, stay secure.